What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Everybody Dies in Their Nightmares by XXXTentacion. If you're new here, click that subscribe button in the bottom right hand corner of this video, as well as a notification bell, that way you never miss a new tutorial. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar, along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories, so if you want some free stuff, stick around to the end of the video. I get into all the giveaway stuff there, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. Okay, you guys, so this song is in standard tuning and it's using 3 different chords that just repeat throughout the entire song. As always, if you need the chord diagrams, you can find them in the free ebook that's in the video description. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. Your first chord is going to be an E flat major 7. It's going to be 0, 6, 8, 7, 8, 6. Where you're barring the entire 6th fret with your index finger, just starting on the A string. You don't have to play anything on the low E for any of these chords, nothing on the low E string. 6th fret barred, ring finger 8th fret D string, middle finger 7th fret G string, pinky finger 8th fret on your B string. Next chord is going to be a D minor 7. Again, bar the entire 5th fret with your index finger, ring finger on the 7th fret of your D string, and then your middle finger on the 6th fret of your B string. So it should be 5, 7, 5, 6, 5. Then slide that exact same formation down 2 frets for a C minor 7. It's going to be 3, 5, 3, 4, 3, ring finger 3rd fret or 5th fret D string, middle finger on your 4th fret of the B string, and you're barring the 3rd fret with your index finger. Now technically you can just downstrum through these chords for the song. You can just go, and then you go, and that all starts over. So you can definitely play it like that. I think what they're actually doing in the song, it's a sample from one of Shiloh Dynasty's songs, and I think he's actually picking the strings individually. And it sounds like what he's picking, or what she's picking, is, it sounds like the thumb on the A, then your index finger picking your G string, your middle finger picking your B string, and your ring finger picking your high E. It's the same for all the chords. So again, thumb on your A string, your index finger is going to pick your G string, middle finger picks your B string, ring finger picks your high E. Pick them all once, and then mute it, pick again, and then switch to the D minor 7. So and don't get frustrated, because this is very, very hard. Like, even my hand is cramping up. I've been playing this over and over so much that these bar chords are very, very hard and difficult to play. But the more you practice these, the better you will get, and it will build up your hand strength. So if this is tough for you, keep playing this and keep practicing. I'm doing it as well because it is just going to build up that hand strength and make playing these kinds of chords much, much easier. So again, I'm going to play through it a little bit slowly just so you can really see it. Here it is. have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Now, the way the giveaways are gonna work is each month I'm gonna pick 2 winners. One is gonna receive a guitar accessories kit that has a capo, a guitar strap, guitar picks, everything that you need in there as a beginner. And the second winner is gonna win a free t-shirt from my Billy Schultz Music merch site. And then once the channel hits 50,000 subscribers, I'm gonna be picking one of you lucky winners to receive a free brand new acoustic guitar. Now, all you have to do to enter the giveaways is like this video, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, and leave a comment down below for a song that you want me to teach you on guitar. Now, turning on notifications is extremely important because each month I'm gonna be live streaming the monthly giveaways, and then once I do the guitar giveaway, I'm gonna live stream that as well, and to get notified, you gotta have those notifications turned on. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at billyshultzmusic. The more that I see you guys, the more it's going to increase your chances of winning one of these prizes. Thank you guys so much. I can't say it enough. I appreciate all the support and I appreciate all the love, and I can't wait to give away these prizes. So keep liking, subscribe to the channel, turn on those notifications, keep putting those comments down below, and I will see you guys in the next video.